everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try on haul because I've got a big stack of things from OGL and they very kindly sent me these as like a gifted package, and they've asked me to create a couple of reels on Instagram, but I wanted to do a YouTube video as well, unboxing, like opening the parcels and trying everything on for the first time. So they kindly sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items of my choosing. So I did choose what I wanted and I am really excited to try these because I think they're going to be so nice for autumn. So without further ado, let's get trying on. These arrived on I think Thursday afternoon and it's Saturday morning now. They came in a big parcel with all of these parcels in and they're really nicely packaged. These are obviously recyclable paper bags, and then the outer package is like a plazy bag to keep it safe from rain. So these bits, so I ordered this, I ordered a 3-piece like mix and match outfit set. So it's a top, a pair of trousers and a skirt that matches. So this is the top and it's like this mock neck. Oh, it's very fashion darling, like sleeveless top, and it's in a really nice soft material that feels nice and thick. And it's in this beigey, greigey pattern. Up close and in person, it's beige with like almost little flecks and lines of grey. So from a distance, it's a nice neutral sleeveless top with a high neck. I need to make sure I don't get makeup all over the collar. So that is the top. I got this in a size, I can't remember. I got this in a size small. The colour is called Heather Morganite, and I will be leaving the links to everything down below in the description. And this also fell out of the package, which is one of those like silica gel things that stops things getting damp on the way. It is a little bit creased on the back, so I'm gonna have to give these a steam before I film the Insta reels. Open parcel number 2. This is Heather Morganite, so this is going to be another matching piece. So this is either the trousers or the skirt. Okay, so this is the skirt, and yet again it's a little bit crinkly wrinkly. I'm going to get the steamer on the go in a minute. But it's this nice midi skirt. To be honest, it's a bit shorter. Let me tilt you down. It's possibly a bit shorter than I would usually like a midi skirt, although with me being quite short, it does come down fairly long. I would wear this with a pair of tights and some boots, so you probably won't be able to see my ankles. It has a zip on the side, which, oh, it's pockets. They've got like a zip pocket on the side. That's nice. This material is really heavy and it feels like it's gonna keep me really nice and warm, so I'm really excited for that. I thought this set, the trousers, the skirt and the top, I thought would look really nice in the office. But yeah, what strikes me is it's really heavy, so it feels really good quality, and the material is so soft and cozy. It almost feels like, it feels like pyjamas, but like really heavy pyjamas. And with the skirt, I actually got that in a size medium. These are going to be the trousers because they are the Heather Morganite colourway on the barcodey thing. And I also got the trousers in a size medium. So these are the trousers. The belt loop, like the waistline, is almost identical to the skirt. And do you know what? These look a bit short, but they're actually not on me. I am quite short. And they are nice and high-waisted, and the crotch is in a nice place, so I think these will actually fit me nicely. It's got belt loops, so I can chuck a belt on if I need to, although the waist does look quite small, so hopefully they'll fit me really nicely. I think they're gonna look so good together. I think it's gonna be giving classy office vibes. And then the final 2 items are 2 long-sleeved boat neck tops. One is in the colour Morning Mist, that's this one, and I got this in a size medium, and I'm hoping it's going to be a really nice pale neutral colour, which it is. And actually this really matches my tracky bottoms. These are just like my PJ bottoms that I'm wearing. So this is what it looks like coming out of the bag. It's got this ruched detail along the waist, which I think will look very flattering and lovely. And I love a boat neck. I think they look so classy. They are giving Audrey Hepburn. And it's got the long sleeves and the material feels really nice, really soft. Like everything that's come out of these packages so far are really soft. And oh my god, it's got some sort of like built-in bra or something. Oh my god. So I wasn't expecting this. It's got a built-in bra with a band. I don't know if you can tell what the hell's going on with this top, But that's amazing. I will not have to wear a bra with this top. Oh, that's brilliant. I cannot wait to try that on. This is going to be perfect for the office in cold weather. And then this is the final item. It's the same top, so it will have that built-in bra, which I think is so amazing. And this one is in the colour Espresso, a dark coffee colour. So this is the same top as before, just in a darker colourway this time. I was hoping for a black version to be available, but it wasn't, so I just went for the darkest colour available. There was a navy one, but I don't wear blue or anything like that. So this is quite similar to the top I'm wearing, I suppose, but it's got the same ruche detail. It's got the built-in bra, which is amazing. This one doesn't. This is from New Look, and this is lovely. And I do wear this one I'm wearing all the time, but this one, I think just the quality is going to be... Ooh, the quality is just so good. And also, total disclaimer, I don't have to make this video. I'm not making this video because I've been asked to. I just wanted to do a video for my YouTube as well as the reels that I'm going to do for Insta, which is what the actual brief is from OGL. So all of my opinions are totally my own. If I'm saying everything's so soft and amazing, it is because I actually think they are. So let's try everything on. Okay, so that was actually quite a traumatic experience, putting that on, and I feel like the neck is way too long. So is it like, do you fold it down? Yeah, so I feel like you do have to fold the turtleneck down, and it is a little bit creased, but I think that looks better now it's folded down. I don't know that I would wear this by itself. What do we think about that? I think it looks a bit weird just by itself. And also, I'm not a fan of a turtleneck really, but I did order it, I did choose it. Let's try it with the skirt and see if the look becomes a look. And I wonder if it's like a tucky innie top, or would it be an over the waistband top? I think a tucky innie. Oh, I do think that looks quite cute actually. Oh, she's a classy woman. She's a classy lady. She's got pockets. What do we think? I can only really see myself in the viewfinder, but I've got my mirror here. I do think that's quite cute. I think the creases are not giving it like justice, and I'd probably want to wear like a strapless bra under here. This is what it looks like from the back. This shape of skirt is quite new for me. I don't have any skirts that are quite this length or this shape, and it's also got like the paneling. So would this be a trumpet skirt because it goes out at the bottom? I feel like for this outfit I would wear these boots because the top of the boots would be covered by the skirt, but then you wouldn't see the ankles and the leg tattoos poking out. I've just got PJ socks on for now. But I think, what do we think? I think I'm gonna like the trousers a lot more than the skirt, but I just prefer trousers anyway. So let's try the trousers on now. I tell you what, I'm not 100% sure on this look, but the trousers I'm sure will look a bit more me and feel a bit more like me. But this stuff, it feels such nice quality. The material is all really nice and soft. It's lovely. So I could go outside, like not tucked in. This is the length of the trousers on. Can you see? Or I could go tucked in, which I think I will prefer. I think like that kind of looks like a jumpsuit. I think that looks really nice actually. Got the pockets in the trousers as well, which is good. And the trousers also have this seam detail down the front, which I think makes it look more expensive. I've just like pulled it up while it's still tucked in and then lay it down, and I think that looks even better. I definitely prefer this as an outfit, and I literally cannot get over how soft it is. Yeah, I definitely prefer the trousers, I think. But now I'm going to try on these amazing long sleeve tops which have the built-in bra. So it is really easy to get on because the sleeves are like attached to the armholes of the bra, which is good. So that is the built-in bra in place, and it does feel really nice, really gorgeous material. I am glad I went for a size medium in this one. The sleeves are the perfect length. I just feel like a small with the band around like the built-in bra. I think that might have been a little bit tight if I went for a size small. I also think this top looks really nice with these trousers, and it is definitely something I would wear. Like these trousers I am in love with. Not 100% sure on the top and the skirt, but the trousers I will definitely wear loads, and this is a really nice outfit, these two together. And then I'm just going to try this top on finally with the trousers. And so this is the final top, and let me just adjust this. I tell you what, I hate wearing bras, so these tops are going to be amazing to just throw on. Like if I'm going away for the weekend and I can't be bothered to take changes of underwear and stuff, if I just take these tops, the underwear's built in, so that is... I can show you a bit better on this beige one because you couldn't really see it on the camera on the dark coloured one, but the ruching detail looks really nice. It kind of cinches the waist a little bit and it just makes the top look a bit more expensive. So what do we think of this? I really like these two tops. So those two tops, the long sleeve tops and the trousers, I really like. The other two bits, and I do really love the boat neck. I think it's a bit classier than just a normal crew neck. But that is everything. That is my OGL try on haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I think that was like a semi-good haul. Now I'm gonna work out how to film my real videos. So I'm going to see if I can style them. I'm going to get the steamer out and iron them and make sure they're not creased or anything. But really happy with some of those items. I will leave links to everything that I bought if you like the look of them, and they'll be down below. And I do have a discount code which I will also leave down below if you like the look of these things. They do have other bits, and maybe I'm kind of thinking I really like the idea of the co-ord set, but maybe it's just not 100% my style. So there are some other really nice things on there, but I am happy with what I've got. So thank you very much to OGL for giving me these items. That's very kind. And thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this honest review, and I will see you all very soon in the next video.